Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best furrower attachment is probably one of the most useful tools for creating perfectly spaced furrows in your garden or farm, saving you time and effort while ensuring even planting and efficient irrigation. In this video, we will explore its features, benefits, and help you decide if it's the right tool for your needs. Number 5. Tazz 353102 in 1 tiller cultivator. This 2-in-1 tiller and cultivator is ready to tackle any gardening project. Its powerful engine and durable construction make it a reliable tool for years to come. It features a high-performance 79 cubic centimeters Viper engine for easy starting and smooth operation, even in tough soil conditions. The bronze gear transmission and forged steel tines ensure long-lasting performance. Easily convert it from a tiller to a cultivator by removing the outer tines and side shields. It offers multiple tilling and cultivating widths to suit your needs. Its low center of gravity provides excellent stability and control. The compact design makes it easy to turn and maneuver in tight spaces. The adjustable handlebar and tilling depth ensure comfortable and customized operation for any user. No tools are needed for adjustments. We stand behind it with a 3-year limited warranty and US-based support. Enjoy gardening with confidence. What we like. It boasts a powerful engine for efficient tilling in various soil conditions and easily converts from tiller to cultivator for versatile gardening tasks. Its multiple adjustable settings cater to different needs and garden sizes. If you need a versatile and powerful machine for various gardening tasks, this is the one for you. Number 4. Earthquake 37804 Hiller-Furrower Kit. It's designed to work perfectly with your Earthquake Pioneer in SRT mode, creating neat hills and furrows for your plants. Everything you need is included, all mounting hardware and easy-to-follow instructions. You'll have it set up in no time. Adjust the hill size in seconds. No tools are required, making it incredibly simple to customize it to your needs. It's made from durable materials, ensuring it will provide years of reliable performance in your garden. Take your gardening to the next level with efficient hilling and furrowing. It's the perfect tool to improve your planting process. This kit is ready to use right out of the box. Simply attach it to your Earthquake Pioneer and start creating perfect hills and furrows. What we like. This one is designed for easy setup and offers adjustable hill sizes to suit your planting needs. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you're looking for a simple yet effective solution for hilling and furrowing, consider this user-friendly option. What people say. The tiller worked as advertised. The reverse gear is an absolute necessity for a 75-year-old. At times it was dug in and unstable, but it was expected. As I am familiar with past tiller use, again the reverse gear made it easy. It has a small engine for a tiller, 4-stroke 99 cubic centimeters. But because the tiller tines are hardened sheet metal rather than thick billow tines, it cuts through the soil surprisingly well. Dual direction tilling, so in counter-rotating mode, won't jump forward when breaking ground. A quick reverse lever that can be used from the operator position regardless of tilling mode. Seems durable and made easy work of breaking ground in CRT counter-tine rotation mode. Number 3. Big Buck 32 Disc Plow. This powerful implement is perfect for cultivating your land. It's designed to work with your UTV, making tough jobs easier. It easily attaches to most UTVs using a standard 2-inch receiver hitch. This ensures a secure and stable connection for optimal performance. The aggressive disc blades provide superior maneuverability. They're engineered for a tighter turning radius and efficient soil cultivation. This innovative system reduces maintenance. It allows you to easily break up and clear soil, saving you time and effort. It locks securely in the transport position. This maximizes lift range when moving it between locations. It's built to handle large areas. You can easily cultivate between 1 and 2 acres with this powerful tool. What we like. Cover a larger area quickly with its wide tilling width and UTV compatibility. The integrated cleanout system minimizes maintenance. If you have a large garden or farm and own a UTV, this time-saving tool is perfect for you. Number 2. Ripper Plow Combo Shank. This versatile tool is perfect for various agricultural tasks. It's built tough and ready to tackle even the most challenging soil conditions. The standard Shank offers reliable performance for everyday use. Its durable design ensures long-lasting functionality. Upgrade to the 28-inch combo Shank for enhanced reach and versatility. It's built from high-quality T1 steel for superior strength. The combo Shank includes a bolt-on 11-inch furrower, ditcher, and potato plow. This adds even more functionality to your equipment. Its replaceable ripper tooth ensures that it will always be ready for the job. This feature extends its lifespan and reduces downtime. It's designed for durability and efficiency, making it a valuable asset for any farm. Experience the difference of superior quality and performance. What we like. This highly versatile tool offers interchangeable parts for various tasks, from ripping to furrowing. Its durable construction ensures long-term use. If you need a robust and adaptable tool for multiple soil preparation tasks, this is a great choice. What people say. I needed to rip about 150 foot or so of trench for gutter drains, and the digging was really tough. Just below the topsoil there is a crust of hardened clay that is like rock. The ripper handled it quite well, and I got the job done because of this tool. It is heavy duty. It's more expensive, but well worth it over the hollow welded tube models. Number 1. Earthquake 15683 Hiller-Furrower Kit. This kit adds versatility to your rear tine tiller, allowing you to easily create hills and furrows for planting. It's compatible with many popular brands, making it a great addition to your gardening tools. All the hardware and instructions you need are included, making assembly a breeze. Get it set up and start gardening in minutes. Adjust the hill size in seconds without any tools. It's that simple to customize it to your needs. It's made from durable materials, ensuring years of reliable performance. You can count on it season after season. Take your gardening to the next level with precise hilling and furrowing. It's perfect for creating the ideal conditions for your plants. It works with many rear tine tillers, including Earthquake, Husqvarna, Southland, PowerMate, Troy-Bilt, and Cub Cadet models. Check for compatibility with your model before purchasing. What we like. It's compatible with various rear tine tillers, making it a versatile addition to your gardening equipment. The easy adjustment feature allows for quick changes in hill size. If you own a rear tine tiller and want to expand its capabilities, this is a must-have. What people say. It is, as far as I can tell, a duplicate of the product offered by Troy-Bilt, albeit at less than half their usual asking price. The dimensions, finish, and build seem identical, and after this past season's use it has proven to be every bit as durable and capable. Hard to beat for forming raised beds, planting, and shallow ditching. I was able to hill the 10 rows in quick time and am glad I bought it. This version is cost-effective, with minimal work. Grinding took about 20 minutes, I was in business. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.